Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surbhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of October. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for you. We have the Empress, the Seven of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, Chariot, the Judgment, the World. Something major coming in, Sagis, for you. Major changes coming in. The Magician, oh my god. The Page of Swords and the Five of Wands. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for you. Okay, Four of Hearts, guidance from the angels, the spiritual teacher. Okay, so Sagittarians, definitely a new beginning which is giving you a lot of abundance and happiness. So definitely you were in a new beginning. You started off with something new, but it wasn't as easy as you thought perhaps, and it is requiring a lot of hard work. Maybe you even thought of it. I'm not, maybe you knew it, but definitely it is something which was a new beginning in your life, and it is becoming a sort of struggle also. So there are many hardships on this path, whatever this path is for you, whatever this new beginning is all about. It requires a lot of struggle, it requires a lot of hard work. And here with the Two of Pentacles, what I feel here is that now you are trying to make up your mind as to you really want to progress or how to deal with it perhaps. You want to deal with it or not, you want to move ahead or not, or you're trying to weigh the pros and cons to do something about it. So basically you are trying to maybe make a decision over here perhaps as to how to. And here also with the Three of Pentacles, I think that you are discussing this with your friends or family as to how to go about with it. So this is the time, this is the struggle which is there in this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is, which you are trying to sort out perhaps. I think you are trying to sort it out, because I don't think that you are giving it up. You are not giving it up, you are trying to sort it out. And here with the Chariot, the Judgment, the Word, three major arcanas in a row, and then the Magician, what I feel is that with the Chariot you are discussing, you are sorting it out, finding a way out. And with the Chariot you are taking action and moving ahead. You are taking charge of the situation and moving ahead. So you want to have it, whatever this is, you want to move in that direction. With the Judgment and the World, what I feel here is this is perhaps, it can be something which was long pending, which you always wanted sort of, and now the time has come, the right time has come. With the World card here, things are moving, things are changing, things are moving ahead. With the Six of Pentacles here, again I see you working hard, balancing the situation. And with the Magician, you have the resources to make that change or bring that change or achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. So it is definitely something that you are manifesting this. Here you are manifesting this basically. So you are taking the charge of this situation with whatever you had begun. And you've been, perhaps it was you were working hard from a pretty long time on this, and now it is the reward which is coming in the form of the thing that it's now you are reaping the rewards. That's what I'm getting. And you are again, what I am getting here is it is sort of a success. You've achieved it, sort of a thing. With the Magician, since you know that you have the resources and you can make it happen, and you have made it sort of a thing. with the page of swords over here and the five of wands here, I think it is again the same thing which is coming up over here with the seven of wands. It is maybe you were trying to convince others. If it was a team, maybe the person you were dealing with, so that this is the struggle which was involved over here. And with the page of swords, you had the clarity when you were trying to weigh the pros and cons, when you were trying to take a decision, discussing with them. With the page of swords, I think you are here, you got the clarity as to how to move ahead, and then you took the charge, moved ahead. Your wishes are being granted, the decision is being made, the universe is granting you your efforts. Actually, since you've been working hard on this since a pretty long time, so universe is listening to your prayers sort of, and you are getting your wish fulfillment. That's what I'm getting. And here with the four of hearts, there is a time in between this struggle when there is a fear of, there is an hesitancy, there is fear of moving forward, because you have that you have the struggle, so you are being hesitant in moving forward, and that is why you are weighing the pros and cons and discussing it with your friends or family, whosoever they are, your trustworthy people. Number 9 may be of some significance for you. Spiritual teacher. There are great rewards in spending the time alone. Use those moments of solitude to focus on love and ways in which you might give to those around you. Shine your light as an example for others to follow. Seek out a spiritual mentor of your own if you feel that your life is unfulfilled right now. So maybe this is talking of the guidance when this is the struggle. Here you are talking to somebody, okay, discussing with your friends and family. So maybe you need a spiritual teacher, maybe a person of your field, maybe somebody expert, somebody senior to you, whosoever it is. So it's all talking about the help you need to sort out this struggle as to how to move ahead, Sagittarian. So but it is a major change which is coming in, and you are manifesting what you actually started in spite of whatever struggles were there in between. So it's a beautiful reading, Sagittarians. I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do so, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.